So this is the Wailing Wall of Israel. So friends, I'm going to the most popular Israeli market here in Jerusalem. It's called Mahane Yehuda. Let's have a look. It's with onions and chili. Oh my god, it's like an Indian kulcha. And this is the one with za'atar, the most popular Middle Eastern spice here. This is a traditional way of making this Israeli bread. This one is flavored with spice and onions, and I'm gonna eat it.
I love you, India. Welcome to Israel.
The pastry here is inspired. Of course it's Europe, but it's inspired so much. The croissants with chocolate, so Parisian, but they make it here and they have it since childhood. So it's amazing. This is the cinnamon roll, one of the best I've ever tasted. That's a croissant, but it's sweet. And sesame seeds are used a lot. That's again a filo pastry, and it's stuffed with chocolate and baked. These people love to eat.